A very good morning, guys. Welcome to today's new daily market outlook. Today I'm going to be looking if the dollar index is going to continue moving up bullish, and we're also going to inspect the other dollar pairs. So I've got a few pairs on watch for today. If you're interested in those pairs, make sure to join the Discord. After this video, I am going to share them within my Discord community, so make sure to join with the link in the description down below. So that said, I'm going to dive into this video and let's see what is going on. So to begin with, of course, the dollar index, and as we said yesterday, there were two things that could happen. Either we were going to see a fake out after taking out all these swing highs. However, what we've seen is a very strong bullish close. Quickly going in towards the 4 hour, we of course did see that we were forming this star pattern. However, a very weak star pattern. Not much to be said about it. So looking at the daily once again, what we can see is that the daily closed strong bullish. So what I want to see at the moment is I want to see how this daily candle is going to be closing, because it will also tell us a lot how the weekly candle is closing. Because if we see a weekly close like this, it means that we are extremely bullish on the dollar index. But what could still happen is that this daily candle could still cause the fake out and could still close bearish, and let's say as a bearish engulfing, which would be a sign of potential fake out, taking out all the stop losses above the swing high, and for more bearishness to come in the upcoming week. So for today, I'm not going to be trading the dollar index at all. I'm just going to be waiting to see how the daily candle closes and how the weekly candle close will form. So that's the dollar index. Just going to be waiting for the daily close, and then on Monday I can kind of give a better prediction of where the dollar is going to be heading next. So that said, let's head over to our first pair, which is Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar is continuing to move down further bearish, as we can see, moving in towards our area of demand at around 0.70574. So just waiting for that zone to get hit, from where we will start looking to trade the pullback. As we can see, bearish momentum is just so strong on Aussie dollar at the moment. I do think that there is going to be a pullback needed. However, I do think that that will be from a level at around 0.70574 and below. Just waiting for that level to get hit. Once we hit that level, start looking for a reversal pattern and trade Aussie dollar back up in towards the highs to trade that pullback, because then the impulse will be a very massive impulse from all the way up here all the way to down here. And as you guys know, the market will always need to make a pullback just to gain more strength before it is going to be able to head further down. After such a large move from, let's say, here to here, we will need to start making a pullback, in my opinion, of course. So that's Aussie dollar for you guys. Let's head over to euro dollar. So euro dollar hasn't been doing that much, to be honest. As we can see, the bulls are trying to kick in every single time. However, they are getting rejected back down straight again. So looking at the daily time frame, we can see that we had a very strong daily bearish candle close. So we've officially broken this area of demand for at the moment. So not really interested in anything, to be honest, in regards to euro dollar, right? So what we could still see is, of course, a nice pullback. The market is really a little bit indecisive at the moment on the euro dollar pair, but I will be waiting till Monday to take a calculated decision on if I am going to take this pair further in towards the lows, or if I'm going to trade the pullback back up in towards the highs. So this still stands what I explained yesterday, that we do have this potential kind of like wedge or channel formation, but at the moment it still needs some more time to form, and I'm 100% sure that it won't form today. So let's just wait till Monday and hope that the price action on the euro dollar is a little bit better. So that is euro dollar for you guys. Let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar is currently situated in my 4-hour zone, which I mentioned yesterday. So I was looking for a potential long down below over here at the third touch of this wedge. As we can see, we also did start moving up a little bit higher, but then I was looking for a lower time frame entry. So there was a problem with the lower time frame entry, and that mainly had to do with the fact that the correction that we were seeing down below over here was more of an ascending nature than a descending nature. So what I was looking for was for this low to be situated a little bit lower, because what we then would have had was this, right? So then you would have had the 1, and this would have been your 2 and then the 3, and then we could start going long. But for now there was no second touch made, so this for me was just a little bit more consolidation and a little bit just of this ascending price action. So at the moment what I'm waiting for is on the 1 hour for a nice channel or wedge to form. But yeah, as you guys can see at the moment, the market isn't really giving us anything on pound dollar. It's just falling down in towards the lows quite impulsively. So what I'm waiting for now is just a nice reversal pattern to trade this pair up higher once again. So yeah, that is it. To be honest, just waiting on the 1 hour for a nice wedge or channel to form, which will probably be on Monday. So something like this. Of course, it doesn't need to happen, but it is just what I would prefer to see when trading in these areas of demand within the market. So with that said, let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And as we can see, Kiwi dollar has just been falling down in towards the lows, quickly going in towards the daily time frame. My same bias still stands. I'm still bearish on Kiwi dollar. What I'm waiting for is either the pullback to trade the pullback back down in towards the lows, potentially also the third trendline touch, or even from this zone up above over here. Those are the two kind of like trades that I'm looking for. Otherwise, I am just going to be waiting until we hit this area of demand to then take the reversal back up in towards the highs. So yeah, not going to occur today, but I hope it will occur somewhere next week. So yeah, that is it, to be honest, on Kiwi dollar. Let's head over to our last pair, which is gold. And gold, guys, so gold at the moment has been consolidating pretty hard, excuse me. As we can see, we have that descending corrective price action, excuse me, and it is starting to move up higher. So it does look as if it wants to break out over here, because as we can see, the corrective price action impulse from here to here, 786 fib. Yeah, we have some imbalance here, so we kind of have that rally zone coming back in, and now we are starting to move up higher once again. So if we are able to break out, 1804 is going to be my target from where I want to start looking for some potential shorts. At the moment, the market is just not ready yet on gold. We just have to wait until we move a little bit higher. 1804 still is just going to be what I am waiting for. So when price is there, I will probably give a gold call on Discord. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to stick to this channel. Tomorrow there's going to be a giveaway plus a gold trade breakdown, which you do not want to miss. So with that said, guys, thanks so much. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to contact me through Discord. Wish you all an amazing day and speak soon. Thanks, guys.